Welcome back to Gibbo's Road Trip Adventures. Now, it's no surprise we're going to a place that we've been to many times before, but we do actually explore and visit a few different places that we haven't been before. Our reason to go to the Hunter is for a special lunch with our son and his new fiance, checking out wedding venues. Anyway, we thought we'd take the advantage on the long weekend to go and camp, and again, we got a great spot. And being a long weekend, it wasn't overly crowded. We found our special spot. Anyway, stick with us. We've got a few recipes to show you, and hopefully don't burn them. So yeah, I hope you stay with us to watch this video. So this is a dinner tonight. We are going to have a second attempt cooking this one that we failed at recently because we forgot it was cooking in the camp oven, but we're going to cook it on a grill, and we're having a salad in a jar. This one's got grilled eggplant and capsicum, peas and sweet potato, feta. Delicious. I thought I'd mention for those interested in trying out my salads in a jar, I found these containers at Victoria's Basement, but they're also available in other kitchen storage shops. They fit perfectly in our bar fridge. So tonight we're going to try and cook these. Last time we did up at Hawk's Nest, we forgot about them in the camp oven.
It was a disaster.
It was. So we are going to cook them on the grill. The little fire pit the boys bought Steve. Oh, we're beside a road. There's a big truck. Timing.
Perfect timing.
Yeah. Anyway, they look pretty good. We've got a little visitor, Mr. Possum. Where's he going?
Hey, mister? Mr. Brushtail?
Oh, he's got a little piece of grass in his mouth.
No, that was just under his chin.
Oh, well, he's hiding. No, it's run away. Run away, run away. Okay, so it's dessert time. And what have we got in here?
Little
Oh,
Toblerone
mousse. Chocolate mousse.
chocolate mousse.
With an early night had, we got up early and decided to go for a walk around the suburb of Broke, then go for a drive. So we've been having a lovely little exploration of the Broke area, and Steve has found a cave that we can go and look at here.
Baiame Cave.
Yeah, I think that might be it up there. So here we are in beautiful wine country, and then there's this little tourist stop, Baiame Rock. Good workout today. We've walked all around Broke, around the suburb, checking out the homes, gone for a drive around the vineyards. It really is beautiful countryside. Baiame is a revered creator spirit, also known as the Sky Father. He is depicted as a large male figure in rock art, associated with the creation of earth, animals and people, and established the laws and customs of the dreaming. They did well to get the paintings up there, didn't they?
They did.
Well, there's a little shelf there, but even the hand up there doesn't, it looks alien-like.
Looks like my hand.
So it's now time, we're all dolled up, ready to have a special lunch with family. I won't be taking you to our lunch today, but I want to share something with you while I was editing this video, what I did with Mildred. I took her to a day spa and gave her a facelift. Watch what happens next. Alrighty, moment of truth. The unveiling of our caravan name.
Oh, I do love a caravan called Mildred.
Yeah, well we do
That's just a
too.
bit special, isn't it?
Absolutely, she is. Oh, that is so
I bet
good.
Mildred knows how to make damper in a pot.
Oh, absolutely, and a lot more too.
You're a beautiful girl, Mildred. Happy travels. See you later, Jake. See ya.
And there we go. That looks so good. Thank you so much. Very happy. Alrighty, what do we got tonight?
Some kangaroo.
Some
Kangaroo
skippy.
steak.
Skippy in like a herb marinade, is it? Herb and garlic?
Herb and garlic.
It's a very gamey type of meat. There we go, that's the sizzle we want.
That's what we're
I
after.
think it's like 4 minutes each side.
3 minutes. 2 to 3, depending on how hot you've got it.
Okay, that's what Steve says. Mama G says 4 minutes and each side, and then we're going to let it rest for a little bit, slice it, and I have another salad in a jar, so we're going to have it on a bed of salad. It's all very healthy. There's pretty much no fat, that's why these cook really quickly. Anyway, that was just from our local Coles. Keen to see what it tastes like. Didn't have to do too much with it, which is good. Alrighty, so we are going to pop it on our little tray here and cover it in foil and let it rest. I'm quite impressed with this gift the boys gave Steve. It's pretty cool.
Good one. Now we can crank it up.
Yeah, get that off. They can have a clean by the person that cleans those sort of things. And we can crank the fire. It's actually just a really mild temperature night. It's not that cold, but we do love a fire regardless, whether it's winter or summer. It's always a must with camping. What about you? Let us know in the comments below. So we have our salad in a jar.
We do.
This is what you do. Get the bug out of the bowl that's just rested and tip it out.
That's our salad from last night.
Well, leftover. I've got so much salad. But we went out for lunch. Otherwise, I would have made leftover wraps with the salad. Just get that last bit out.
Yep.
Then we'll just...
Thought you were playing the bongos there for a while.
I think I am very musical. Anyway, that's our salad in a bowl. There it is. But what we're going to do is pop some of that in there, and then we're going to slice up our kangaroo, and we have a lovely dinner. Very healthy. Look at that. Very good. There we go. That looks pretty yum, doesn't it?
Yeah.
That's our salad. And this is our roux. Come on, Skip. That looks amazing. We're going to slice that up and dish it up.
Yep.
Alrighty, so how does that look? Medium rare?
Yeah.
Rare?
It's medium.
No, it looks good. You want it pink.
That's the thick ones.
Yeah, because kangaroo can get tough.
Yep.
And there you have it. Our roux on salad in a jar. That is such an easy dinner. So I do recommend you make a couple of salads, and this was just already marinated from Coles. And yeah, anyway, we always say, what do we say, Steve?
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. So I've had a taste of mine and I think it's incredible.
Yum.
I think
That's awesome.
that was perfect. So was that 3 or 4 minutes?
That was all in the resting, I think.
It was the resting.
Yeah, maybe 4 minutes. I don't think the fire was as hot as it should be.
Yeah.
And maybe next time I'll do it in a pan, like a really hot pan.
No, I wouldn't. That is perfect. I wouldn't even bother with the pan. Then you'd have to wash it up. So
I've just got to clean the barbie grill.
I know, but you're very good at that.
Thanks.
Anyway, we're going to eat our dinner. Yum. So I've come for a walk with my boyfriend, and he's had a blowout on his Ugg boots because he's very noisy. We're actually going to go for a walk to have a look at the church in Broke, which looks amazing. Stay tuned. So this is the church, lit up by floodlights. By the way, my boyfriend is Steve, my lifelong boyfriend. Been married for 35 years at the next month. And anyway, we're at the church. Oh, bless. Looks pretty amazing. So from our little campsite, we look up the road and we can see this. It's pretty cool. The moon is too bright to try and take a star shot, so I think I'm going to have to come back one night when there's no moon. This is lit up and I can capture the stars. Who'd like to see that? I would. So sadly, that's the end of this adventure. In the next coming weeks, we have something pretty amazing about to happen for us and with Mildred. You'll have to stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe so you get notifications when our next video drops. I want to thank you all if you've hung around to the end of our videos. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment because it helps our channel. As I like to say, thanks for watching.